It's Technical Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed the fun of yesterday, but today we're getting serious and into the science. So, we're talking about triangle. Technical Tuesday triangle. You lean into tension of the flexed wrist. Make sure everything is lined up and place the back of the hand into just above the knee, the fleshy part of the thigh. Fleshy in my case anyway. It's so hard to balance in the sunshine. Advancement. 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 Things to avoid: overlocking the front knee, lateral flexion of the spine, faking it with the hips. That's a Saturday night position, not a Technical Tuesday try.